Good evening, everyone. How are you? I said, how are you? Now listen, we got you all in the right state of mind with that beautiful cocktail hour. I saw that you drank, I saw that you ate, and I saw that you drank some more. So the spirits should be good this evening. Erwin, thank you so much. Thank you for commenting on the fact that I am now bald. Thank you. Thank you. You know what they say, no pain, no gain. All right. Well, it is absolutely wonderful to be with all of you this evening for the JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans Abroad, and Friends of Jamaica working together for a better Jamaica. That's what it's about. And I have to tell you that I am from Haiti, as some of you may know, and what's happening in Haiti and the fact that we're not getting the assistance that we need. We have the diaspora working through the Haitian Roundtable and other wonderful organizations. But what the JAHJAH Foundation has done for Jamaica stands as a sterling example of brothers and sisters helping their brothers and sisters. So I want to congratulate all of you, especially Dr. Trevor Dixon, on this incredible work. So, as some of you know, I usually like to start my talk with a joke. Donald Trump. That's it. Now, I'm not going to say too much more about number 45 because I do understand, and this is what America is all about. We can agree to disagree because I know that we may have some Donald Trump supporters, and you know what? We don't care as long as you support the JAHJAH Foundation, right? But tonight, we do have a quid pro quo. We are going to entertain you, and as Alicia Keys would sing, we will inspire you. And because of that, we ask in return that you support the JAHJAH Foundation through your continued donations, your volunteer work, and attending these great events that this incredible foundation puts together. And as you know, the foundation, you may know now, because I spoke with Dervin Malcolm. Dervin, please stand and take a bow. A great radio man, Dervin Malcolm. I had the pleasure of being on a show with some of our colleagues. You can sit down now, Dervin. And Dervin, by the way, is in the same hair club that Erwin and I are in. But on his show, we talked about the two major projects that are going on with the JAHJAH Foundation. The first one is establishing the Jamaica Emergency Medical Services, better known as GEMS. And you'll hear more about that from Dr. Dixon, I'm sure. And the dental suite of Negril. Some of you may know, and it's in your, by the way, your programs. And first class program, by the way, Trevor, very well done. The whole evening has been very well done. Very classy, isn't it? As I like to say, classy like Freddie Blassie. Some of you may know Freddie. But they have shipped a 40-foot container to the Negril Health Center in Jamaica, which is the site for this project, and the foundation plans to retrofit this container into the dental suite, and the completion date is set for the end of 2020, just right around the corner. And right now, it's estimated that the cost for these two projects will run approximately $200,000 US, but it may even be more than that. So we ask you to please, tonight, open up your hearts and open up your wallets, because this is something that is So tremendous, so interesting, and so needed. Now, for those of you who may have heard the interview I did with Dervin, remember what we talked about? We talked about mental health. When you give to the JAHJAH Foundation, and now we have a lot of medical people here, right? Physician's assistants, physicians, nurses, all of you who are part of the medical field, you know what happens when you give. What happens? There's a neurotransmitter called dopamine that is released, and it says, ooh, do that again. So we want you to do it again and give and give and give. And I also talked about, so this is good for your mental health that you're out here tonight. And I saw an old friend earlier who said, oh, Dr. Love, you're back. Remember that? Remember we used to play, Erwin, my theme song was Dr. Love. He can cure your inhibitions. And one of the things I mentioned on Dervin's show was that this was a great opportunity for those of you who are married or in committed relationships. Raise your hands. Okay, keep your hands up. Now, how many of you are happily married? Half the hands went down. Well, tonight, it's going to be super romantic. And I hope that you do a little dance, make a little love, and you know how the rest of it goes. Now, I would like to see hands up for all the single ladies. Single ladies, hands up. Single ladies. You see the single ladies, right? All right, single gentlemen, raise your hands along with the single ladies. Aha. Now, why is it that I saw some of the married folks raising their hands up? So, for all the single people in the house, we know that the committed people and the married people, they're going to have a romantic evening. But as we spoke about, Dervin, on your show, I want to see people making that love connection tonight, right? Why can't we be multi-purpose? You're helping the JAHJAH Foundation, and we're helping you with a little JAHJAH. So please remember, use your photographic memories, and remember who all the single people are, and I want you to exchange phone numbers, okay? Meet someone special tonight. Hey, you never know. You never know.